Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to move video from file to photo app on iPhone. So for you to do that, you have to tap and open your file, then tap at the browse icon to search and check the available or the location of the video you want to move to your photo app. So here is empty. Let's say you can see I don't have any file in the iCloud drive, so I'm going to tap on my iPhone, which is this phone storage. Then you can simply move. Then here, this is a video is here. Then you can simply tap at it. Then once you tap at it, then you tap at this icon, this particular icon, tap at it, then click at it, then you tap on save videos. So when else you open your photo apps, this particular video will display on your photo app. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.